Kani gadai ka dudashan Meghalaya ban ipidang sobhai phibaro shakathup khubor metaga janmit. Shuaban phai shaki khubor ki babanya ngine pet shwai ki mat bokongsan. En thau ka Meghalaya da ka judicial inquiry halor ka jingja ha ki kamti deu yong be an mahang usambut menteri rangba ka jalla uba tensong ba an dan jingma bat en pentre kam yaki an ki bating e. Ong President ka TMC ha uba Charles Pengrop baka jingja ha ka kramti dawyong ha thangsko kalong kabala ban kyar dawa ban monra e ka jingto ket kabala lut. Dawa ka Jaintia National Council ka jingto ket ka babanya halor ka jingja ha thangsko pen paw e ka jing songkhia halor ka jingwan rong ki brio ki banabar. Penkup buram ka Eastern Command yaki sipai ha ka investiture ceremony kabala penlong ha umroi military station. Sange shong dorbar ASEAN ka yang dorbar Lok Sabha menta kasni na ka jing pen khiwin kalyang persha halor ka jing yatai ya ka mangtingka. Mentang ini phai shaki khubor na kaling ka banta jang ka jilla. Usambut menteri rangba ka jilla uba Preston Tensong hendin kasingi ulapan bana ba ka sarkar kan thau da ka Judicial Inquiry Commission ban pentoket ya ka jingja ka badangshen haki krem daw yong ki bati bean ulo ong babaro ki benta ki bakongsan jongkani ka jingja insa IT sha ka commission tang shudap thong ya chairman jongka da ka bakulari ka jingtoket ka bahok bat ka basani bha uba tensong ulo ong ba ka sarkar kalapen mi ya ka jing batha ka bating e ya ka bor penya district ban khang no mardor ya ki kamti diw yong bean habapen shai halor ka jing pen jari ya ki an ba perkhing ulama hamba en ummap ya kanu ka jing pen khen an bat ulapen scam ya ka jing thmu jong ka sarkar ban yada ya ka jing em da ka bawanra ya ki an ki ba perkhing khanang ban yada ya kumkini ki jing ja hadin habut.
Right now we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two again, yes, today, within 10 days time again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. And I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. We are going aggressively after the incident happened, and let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.
President ka TMC ha Meghalaya but MLA kanong thamai uba Charles Pengrop ulapen pawi ka jing sngodiaw halor ka jing ja basungusi ha ka krem daw yong ka ba hathangsko da ka ba ong bagajing du jang ki jing embryo kalong ru kabala bankyar ulo ong bagajing ti bean yo daw yong kalong ka jing shisha ka ba paw but ulaken tu ya ka sarkar ban shim ya ki sinjam ki batin e ban khang sindon ya kum kini ki kam uba Pengrop ula dawa ban penlong ya gajing toket ka basani ken thop ya gajing toket taki independent niki bor banabar but maham ba gajing bom kit clear but gajing bom le ai kala ban lam shu shabun ki we pat ki jing ja basungsi ula pen pawru ya gajing saulam shaki long yeng jong ki balaklat but ula duai na ka benta jong ki.
At the beginning it was avoidable, you know. The government has to take strong measures where illegal mining is totally stopped. You know, we just can't deny the fact that it's happening, but at the same time, a lot of strict action must be taken against those who are carrying out illegal mining, and also to have some measures to not allow anyone to do it in the first place. It's not something that is that can be hidden and done. Everybody is visible from every angle. Therefore, efforts must be done by the government to stop this, so that such unfortunate incidents and people losing their lives is very sad. My heart goes out to the families of those who have lost their near and dear ones, and may God give them the strength to bear the loss. I would suggest that the state government should do a proper investigation, whether they need an independent inquiry or whether they need some independent sources to do it for them. That's for them to decide. But some action has to be taken to stop, completely stop, because we have raised the issue many a time in the House and even other circles that the illegal mining and transportation of coal has to stop.
Ka Jaintia National Council kalakentu ya ka sarkar jilla bakan penyar ka jing thmu banthau ya ka judicial inquiry halor ka jing bethe ka pardew yang hathangsko gumju ru ban khmi benya halor ka jing wan rung kirthap ki bar jilla shakani ka jilla khamtam na kari Bangladesh habakren shakila pathai ku bor henin kasngi u president jong ka JNC u sambor mi lingdo ulo ong bakani ka jing bethe kala bande ne ki mat ki bashalandan la ni kala ru bande ne ka jing ya ka ja hapedeng kinong penyat pardew yang Katba ki pedyang ye gajing tokin kaseng ka banjur pat baka jing khang purai ka jing ti dewyong kalong ka bomla banlong but ulakin tu ba de bandon ye ka small scale mining policy banya dai ke lat kamai jakpo jong ki trash nong
Tangi kum kesen ke ek bang kuat panong hang ne lemba ka jong phi ki perlo press media ki jong ni kuat ngi ba ka sarkar kala thung ya ka judicial inquiry tak ek bang kuat panong ba kene inquiry kam de ban long tang na kanta kata ka tin tre be an yo de yo hende ni kuat ba ka sarkar kan bu ya ka inquiry halor kene ka jing wan ra ya ki nong tre ki bana ka we pat kiri kham tam kum na kiri Bangladesh Namar kani ke jimpun jong ki khar Bangladesh po kani kari ke jong ni ke bu ke jing sir ke bakrau ya kari ba ke jong ni om tang ya ke distrik ke jong ni tangi kwa ru ba ke sarkar kan pemi ya ke we ke isu ban kendang na phang ya kini ki briu ki basa be ai kam tam po ke distrik ke jong ni ke ba bujing ya pa ya ki pa ba kalong ba menta kata ke scientific mining habang ya apply ya ke prospecting license ni ke Bandung kong ni de Bandung ya ke jaga ke bacis 4 hektar ta kene hi ke bu jinga ya ki we pa ki tra jaga nama bun na ki nimlen nimong ba umdon ki badan jaga ma hande ki don ki badan ya ke jaga ke bacis 4 hektar hande balong hi majority hi 5% hi ki nong song ki badan ya ki par biong ki de ki small scale Tangi na kawe ka Porsche kawe ni kum ka JNC ngila pha ka jing tho sha CM ngila pha ka jing tho sha ka mining and geology department jong ka sarkar jala padahal kini ki usne mubala de ngidang de pha ka jing tho wat sha du MP jong ni bantukla halo kini ka jing dawa ka jong ni kata kalong ban ra na ka small scale scientific mining
Yaka Eastern Command Investiture Ceremony lapin long mentakasngi ha umroi military station ban aiburam ya ki sipai ki bachelor ki sipai ki bapau bat ki unit ki balebha u Lieutenant General Ramchandra Tiwari GOC NC Eastern Command ulayo ya ka Gallantry and Distinguished Service Award hakanika program Kidon baro laipu prangwet ki sipai ki balasha pen kop buram kinthop ki balayo pedang ya kasina medal nakabanta ka Gallantry and Distinguished Service ki Youth Seva Medal ki Vicious Seva Medal bat ka Utan Jivan Raksha Padak kat ba sau khandai tili ki unit ki layo pedang ya ka GOC NC unit appreciation lapen longru ya ka a cultural program ka Shaurya Sandhya henin kasngi ban pen inam ya ka jingyo pateng kari bat ban buram ya ka jing shlur bat ka jing len ladi hashwa ka program pen ko buram
इस गरिमा में अवसर पर मैं सभी अवार्ड विनर्स को बधाई देता हूं इस समारोह में सबसे पहले मैं उन अमर शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने राष्ट्र की सेवा में अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान कर दिया उनकी वीरता उनका बलिदान हमेशा भारत की आने वाली जनरेशन को प्रोत्साहित करता रहेगा और इस मंच से गारंटी अवार्ड्स, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड अवार्ड्स और यूनिक साइटेशंस देते हुए मुझे बहुत ही गर्व की अनुभूति हो रही है। ये सम्मान आपके साहस, आपके विश्वास और राष्ट्र के प्रति आपका अटूट निष्ठा का प्रमाण है।
MLA Kanot Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrom Henden kasi ulalit jurep yakajaka balatmu banshna yakasurok kabathamai kaban penya so ekawa ingdo bat ka so sun ringkat kajingya sanran lang kinong yalam jonggashnong bat kinong tere ka PWD uba Nongrom ulaong bakani ka project kathmu ban penbaha yakasurok kapala dandupa shakasurok kabala ban penyat kali ban penya so bat ban penduna yakajing khamya kali Kanika surok kan sedang nado na Ramkrishna School syado Shawaing do Community Hall. Ula benrap ru ba Menteri Ketanat PWD ula pentikna banbu akhmat ya kanika project. Bat ban penyat syakmat ya kajing pen krea ya ka kaipot kabasani jong kanika project.
Hindian kanika surok kan la sedang la maipang dai lead Mama Friday lingdo beri MLA bat Minister Chonel Constituency haki por wallet wala dia lingdo ani slap pertai ke kamram jonga ke kamram jungi ki longdien bingin budien yaki ki babah na ko bertaban pendap ya ka kecing temu ka bolong kecing syakri ya ki paj ba ki barkani serok ke ban mi nang tai na po remlan na chan Ramkrishna Mission School Ramkrishna Mission di center kan ya makan po yang dia po indo jong hakmat jungi ka community hall wa indo Tingnan niya pek kumno na ka i-export jong ka peduli technical person ba kumno ngin pemandur na ka banta ka dikijik temu barang scam kumulay okti lambai chief deputy chief minister in charge of peduli roads i sa presto tensong ang scam ba kumayla indos na ka banta ban tentu ka department ban le ka dokaman perkira DPR ngin scam ni kanong ka jing kanong ya ka bangini i ka sing to so ubah kanong kecikirku yang dikepateng mata berkunjuk pateng na pateng ini kentin dengan jangka kulis.
Ka Public Health Engineering PHE Mairang Division Eastern West KHASI Hills District henin kasingi kala rakhiye ya kajal arpan divas hapo kajal jivan commission ha conference hall Mairang hakani ka program la IT ya ka scheme sam jongka JJM shaki village water and sanitation committees jongki shipautili ki shnong ki bahap hapo ka Mairang bat ka Mauthat Rashan block Hagajing ajing keren jong MDC ka Mauthat Rashan uba Powell Sokland ulakin tu ya ki brio bakin shimmi ka jingkit clear bat ban yada ban sumari ka tilong bat ulakin turu ya ki contractor bakin trey hok kat kum ka jing batha jong ka tanat da ka babu akhmat ya ka jing thmu jong ka ni ka scheme ban ai ya ka jing mentoy shimet
Diingiskan bangi belum ikan keski ingat maka Kishpotil Kishnong ke bahasa Penya ia kena ka scheme dia ke people usaha kisah ke juni kena ka terima ya parent kat pada department betul juru ki wei pat Kishnong ai ke di tempat kerjaan ya ka department apa ka jiram ji kom artijin kat bagi SDOs ki jeneng yang terima bahasa show ka bagi ayo usaha ki kisah ke juni betul juru tentu ya ki kontraktor ki ba yo kontrak menteri ya kena ka scheme mengitrai ngin trai hok Kaya ke bala buat ke bala mang ke department ni menteri kapok ia kata. Mo ni nam da perkhatan ia kata kayo no. Namanga UI bagi ton ki kontraktor ki menteri ki perkhat suai ke jingyo no. Ki sa perkhat bat ia ka jing poi ko. Hoi bagi menteri kam ni suatu ke department ke jingyo no. Menteri ke jingyo pol bagi di perkhat. Magri mission dan serta ayum jadi ye kisah bujumi. Jadi penpayum ye kisah bujumi kembali pendi dengan drama ada ki yang aktifah. Kaya sibol ni bagi yo e kapor
La rakhi ya ka safer internet di arhajar apun rio ha DRDA conference hall ampati hapo kapang smart tech safe choice exploring the safe and responsible use of AI kani ka program ka penpau ya ka jingshangan hapo ka jingpanan kam ya ki core ki board digital banlong ki bucket khli ha pendan kam ya ka internet ba ka jingpan saphyang jingtep halor ka jingkiu state jong ki jing start technology ha pedeng ki he sarkar bat ki nong don benta ha southwest Garu Hills haba arjing keren hakani ka program ka deputy commissioner ka Anandya Rajshri kalapen pawi ka jingdon kamban pensa priang jingteb halor ka cyber katba u district informatic officer u eliba e marak ulapen i ka jing batai halor ka online security ki cyber risk bat banlong ki bucket khli haba pendan kam ki jing start AI ka batmu banwanra ka jing shngan ha ka perthai ka balapen yeso daki core ki board digital ka District Water and Sanitation Mission West Garu Hills kala rakhiye ka jal arpan diwas hatura henin kasngi hakani ka program lawan banishimenta da u MLA u Subir Marak u Deputy Commissioner Vibhor Agarwal ki he katanat PHE barkinomik mat jongkashnong haba arjing karen udisi ulaong baka district kala ban pinpoi hadu nyobusan nakashispa hakabal ulaban jori ka jingdan kam banyele persha ke jing e nakajing kurdu haka ayam terkhong bat ban kentio ke jing penne pensa yakitlong la samru yaki sarnat shaki santali kishnong hapo u harchar u superintendent engineer jongka PHE u Ambrose di sangma ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam jongka emlang sa lang ban sumari ki jaka pelang bat ban pentikna ban penroi yako ka bakhuat nakabanta baroa
we all know the importance, we all know the last mile service that this particular scheme provides, and so much good that it has done to the community, that it has done to our society. There was no standard mechanism, there was no set mechanism for people to get water. But JJM changed that. JJM made sure, JJM brought into picture that every household, every last mile household has to get water. It brought solace and respite to so many households, so many communities, so many villages. But at the same time, the demanding aspect of this particular scheme itself has brought a lot of issues as well.
The certification of Hargazal has been done and formal handing over of the water supply assets created for the village is being handed over to them. It's basically a handing over and taking over of the water supply schemes that has been provided to the villages. So we need to celebrate this one to make awareness to all the people, to the villages about the significance of Jal Jeevan mission and taking the responsibility by themselves to on the water supply system in their village.
mentangine phai shaki khubwa na ka than sha te lami hi ka Tripura kala paper daya ka IIT Delhi led Advanced IT and Emerging Technology Skill Development Program hapo ka PMKVY 4.0 haka NIT Agartala kani ka sinjam ka balapen tekram hapo ka IHFC bat ka TIH kan ajing hika ya lais pangut ki khanna puli engineering graduate haka AI ML blockchain 5G but IoT dakinong hikai IIT bat kiriu shampang haki tanat karkhana kajingate asaskular bat ka IBM but HCL kalong ban penyo ek life project ki internship bat ki lat ai kam ai jam kaban penlong ya ka Tripura kum ka jalla kabalakiyo haki jing start technology hakatan chatei lamingi.
So today we signed the agreement and we are initiating the courses with the government of Tripura. So at IIT Delhi we have the Innovation Hub for Cobotics, and iHub Cobotics and IIT Delhi will be supporting NIT Agartala and the government of Tripura to provide skilling in new areas like AI, machine learning and blockchain. The idea is that we will provide innovative new technologies in these domains for seeing that the graduates of Tripura are future ready and can provide the roles that are required in industry for the future.
Mentang ina pai syaki khubor nakari. Kayeng dorbar Lok Sabha kalasange trekam RCN hadu kapor arbaje janmit hadin gajingai beteng gajing penkiwin kidukhat jong kalyang persha halor kimat bapher. Habaka yeng kala lumbiang hakapor no phaisngi hadin gajing sange trekam kabaningkong ki menteri kila ai ki kot bat unong penyai ula persang mansdang biang ye gajing atai halor kamang tingka arhajar arphenrio arphenyo Henry gajing perta persha de kidukhat kala beteng biang U President Officer U PC Mohan ula kentu ya kidukhat ban yeshimenta hakajing ikren bat ban aila de kayeng ban trekam U Menteri Katanat Parliamentary Affairs U Kiran Rijuju ula kerpa de kalyang persha ban sange ikajing penkiwin bat de kaburom jong kayeng da kabaong bakapor kabakodor jong kayeng dorbar kala shusap wat hapadeng gajing kentu babun sin kajing persha kadang beteng ya kabala haban pinsange shong dorbar
अनुरोध है कि आज बजट पे चर्चा कीजिए। हम लोग कल भी कांग्रेस वाले से हाथ जोड़ के मैंने कहा है कि बजट का डिस्कशन शुरू हो चुके हैं, नाम भी पुकारे हैं, शशि थरूर जी का नाम पुकार चुका है। वो अपना बजट स्पीच को शुरू करने से सारा सदस्य अलग अलग पार्टी के जितने मेंबर्स सबने अपना नाम दे चुके हैं। उसके बाद जो हमारे नेक्स्ट स्पीकर समाजवादी पार्टी के, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के, डीएमके के उनके नेता भी बोलने के लिए तैयार है। कांग्रेस ही अपना बात शुरू नहीं करते हैं, हर दिन इस तरह वेल में आकर के हंगामा खड़ा करते हैं, पार्लियामेंट चलने नहीं देते हैं, नुकसान सबका हो रहा है। मैं फिर से अपील करना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने इस सदन का गरिमा बहुत गिरा चुका है और ज्यादा गिराने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। बजट पे चर्चा सीधा शुरू होना चाहिए। अध्यक्ष जी
Ka Niti Ayok minta kasing kalapalay ya Sautili ki kai pod khmi benia New Delhi kabakadawi gajing longjing man badan kamman yo ya ka Viksit Bharat bat ka net zero ringkat gajing pai khmat ikitanat kum katanat boarding katanat transport ki karkhana bat ki marpo khando ki bakongsan U CEO U BRV U Subramanyam Ulabanjo di gajing dan kam jong gajing atrelang gijing thmu ki bashisha bat ki bane Islam na ka banta ban pen urlong ya ki thong ki bayadai bat ka sun beneng hagaju ka por ban penne ya ka jing kiyo hakayo ka kon ulo ong ba gajing panon kam ya ka umpanyang ha ki karkhana kan kot shakumba iwei na ka sausha house nam arhajar nyo pho kaban penyo lengba gijing start technology ka ayok kalapalat ru ya laitili ki kai phot hinin ka sngi halor ka jing product haki liang baro Kajing ta jong kajing yo kakot bat kajing dan kam ban yo jing kershan pisa nak benta kajing pen kala.
Today we are going further deep and releasing right now 4 reports which are sectoral in nature, and these are so fundamental to handling the challenge of net zero. We are talking about power, we are talking about transport, we are talking about industry, and we are talking about critical minerals. All of them are extremely important to make this transition happen. What are the first sutra I said yesterday? Electrify energy. And if you want to electrify energy, there you have 2 departments on the dais, both power and MNRE. They are so critical and fundamental. And what does it mean as far as electricity is concerned? I mean, you saw that India's GDP will grow 8x. And that is something which is phenomenal. Simultaneously, because your income levels will grow up, and you are also going to electrify all other forms of energy, which is mobility and industry, etc. Unlike other types of demand which we discussed yesterday, electricity demand will also go 8 times by 2070. So this is something we need to see. By 2070, energy consumption will go 8x from what it is today. Now that is something which we need to now look at, and that is the challenge we should be planning for. And how will that 8x actually arrive at? I mean, you want to have that kind of a power generation, but you also want to be clean. You need to cut down, make it more clean and green.
Mentangin ya pai shaki khubor ne kaleng ka perthai. Ka India kalayo pedang ya ka nam kum ka country of the year ha ka biofac arhajar arphenrio ka organic trade fair ka ba pau nam ha ka perthei ka bala long ha Nuremberg Germany ka bala long ka dak jong ga jing yo byang ya ka jing ithu ha ka perthei hadin khat south nam ha ka ni ka yo ka bala pen long da ka apeda ka ying dara jong ka India ka ba jong kumba 6000 nyupo south square meter ka don ya kin riu pnyo tili ki jaka ben inam na palat arphau tili ki jalla bat ki union territory ki ba pen inam ya ki marab ki ba klem pendan kam dawai ki ba ken thop yo khaw ki musla ki shanadai ki shenrai ki sing bat ki we ban pen pawi ka jing ya ka kardan ba kong san jong ka ri kum ka nong shalan ki mar ki ba klem pendan kam dawai mentang ina pai shaki khubor ye le kai Ka Board of Control for Cricket in India kalapin mi ya ki annual player contract nakabanta usnam 8,000 arpun riu kabantre kam nadu ka shitarek risau 8,000 hadu kalai phau tarek unailur 8,000 arpun riu Shopman Gill, Jasprit Bumrah, but Ravindra Jadeja, ki bahap haga grade A, nakabenta ki kenhuan ye leka ki shenrang. Kat ba Rohit Sharma, but Virat Kohli, ki bahap haga grade B, hadian bakilasange eleka ya ki test, but ki T20. Kat ba haga kenhuan ye leka ki kenthe, ka Harmanpreet Kaur, ka Smriti Mandhana, ka Jemima Rodriguez, but ka Dipti Sharma ki yo ka contract haga grade A. Timintang in pit ika jinglong jingman kasun bening haka link benta jong kajalla. Hatura kajing kret kalong khatsau degree Celsius, ba kajing shet kalong arpun riu degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau menta kasing kalong saupo a na kashispa. Haba pai pat chanong ba shilong, kajing kret kalong kendai degree Celsius, ba kajing shet kalong arpo degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau menta singi kalong saupen riu na kishispa. Kat baha juwai pat, kajing kret kalong kendai degree Celsius, ba kajing shet kalong arpo degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau menta kasing kalong laipun pra na kishispa. Kasun bening kanchai ha tura shilong ba juwai. Shwaban poi shakabukut jang katup khubor ngini pet byang sa shisian ni kimat bakong san. And thao ka Meghalaya da ka judicial inquiry halor ke jingjai haki kamti deu yong be an maha musambut menteri rangba ka jilla uba tensong ba ganjing ma bat ban pentre kam yaki an ki bating e. Ong President ka TMC hau ba Charles Pengro bakajingja haka krem deuyong ha thangsko kalong kabala ban kyal dawa ban wanra igajing toket kabala duat dawa ka Jantia National Council kajing toket kababania halor gajingja ha thangsko ban pawi gajing songkhia halo gajing wan rung kibriyo ki banabar Penkop burom ke Eastern Command yaki shipai haka investiture ceremony kabala pendong ha umrai military station. Bat sangye shong dorbar ASEAN ke yung dorbar Lok Sabha menta kasi nakajing penkiwin kanyang persya halor kajing yatainya yakamang tingka. Ti parlok katung ila poi shaka pukut jang katup khubor jangi menta ga janmiet hadu bangine shem biang bat phila shai kasi khublei phi baro